Guys, Mike here with True Trading Group. July 24th was an awesome day for my swing trade yesterday. If you have not watched my video from yesterday, please go back, take a look at the last video that I just posted. It talks about 2 lessons about taking profit and a new swing trade. That swing trade paid me big time today. I shorted ROKU yesterday at 49.65, and ROKU completely fell apart today. Down all the way to almost $46, guys. Made like $3.50 a share, and I'm still holding some. I took some profit off the table today around 47.75, and I took more off at 46.24. The low of the day is 46.08. And I took some profit off, like I said, 46.24, and I'm still holding some of this position. I'm looking for more. Day trading really wasn't that active today. I made 2 trades. One was a small loss. The other was basically flat. So there really wasn't much for me to go over and much to talk about here with me on the day trading side. But today I want to go over with you kind of an update on this swing trade, short ROKU. So let's just get right to it, guys. I shorted ROKU. I'll show you. And guys, like I said, when you're done watching this video, if you have not yet, please go back and watch my video from last night that talks about the analysis on this trade. This is where I got short ROKU yesterday at 49.65. Okay, so let me go and delete that. I'll take you to the setup now. We'll go back on the daily chart. On the daily chart, guys, you notice that we had a real nice area of resistance in the low 50 area, like 50, 51, 51 and a half area. It was a nice area of resistance. You can see here some resistance. We broke above that. That then started to act as an area of support briefly until this big gap down day and the stock rolled over. Made an attempt to break through this level in mid-February and was denied. Big gap down, stock sold off. We fast forward till mid-July and the stock rallies itself back up. And look, as I zoom in here, look at all this resistance right here up at this 51 and change area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days of resistance up at this level that the stock was not able to break through. And on Friday, we gapped up into the face of that resistance level and we sold off hard. Okay, so if you see this resistance up, I'm going to leave this up there. Let's go to an intraday chart on a 3-minute. And you can see here's that same resistance level and we gapped up to it and immediately sold off from it. That's when I started to say I'm looking for a short entry on this ROKU. We rolled over here around lunchtime. I got short, and then we had this big rollover today. We actually gapped up today. Okay, we gapped up today, and you can see we held resistance. You can see this area of resistance at 50.50 yesterday when I entered the trade, and we gapped up today, found resistance once again at that level, and immediately sold off and went red. Once we went red, I had a lot of confidence in this trade, guys. Okay, I had a lot of confidence in this trade. And then this trade line, the gold line, yellow line on my screen, just rode this thing all the way down. Let's zoom in. Let me delete all this. Let me zoom in a little bit. And I want to go over with you a real nice opportunity. A lot of our members today actually took advantage of this ROKU short, even though they did not swing it from yesterday. A lot of the members that swung it yesterday up big today. Congratulations to those. You guys know who you are. But there was an opportunity to enter this ROKU trade short in the morning, and you could have rode this thing all the way down, and a lot of members caught that, and I want to go over that with you. Right here, you guys can see we broke the low of the day. Okay, right here, you break the low of the day. Stock kind of, here we go. Here was a previous low the stock put in. We then broke that low on a nice little increase in volume, and then you can see we were not able to get back above that previous low. The trade line came into play. The trade line held resistance, so the trade line came right at the same exact area as that previous low and then pushed the stock down. Bang, another new low. And you can see we made another new low right here on real big, strong volume. So now we can delete this arrow because that was the previous low. So the new low was right here. Let's delete this line and this circle and everything. And now look what happened again. Here you can see that new low now that we just broke to the downside. The stock bounces back up, can't get back above that previous low, and the trade line comes into play once again right at that previous low, and then bang, collapse. The stock rolls over and just completely falls apart and sells off. So a lot of members were able to capitalize on this short opportunity, getting short right in here as we could not break back above that previous low and could not get back above that trade line, because a lot of members got short in here and then were able to ride that down and catch that move. Okay, it was a really, really great trade. All right, guys, I took some profit off on this at 47.75 right here, and I took more profit off at 46.24 right here. Okay, so here were my take profits. I'll take you to my trade announcements. Here we are, guys. Took some profit, covered some Roku at 47.75. And then here we are at 12:47 p.m. Took more profit, covered more Roku, short swing, 46.24, still holding some. Okay, and I'm still holding. Okay, still holding some of this position. There are my take profits. I'll show you. Here's my short entry. Here's my first take profit. Here is my second take profit, and I'm still holding some of this position short. My target on this now, guys, is going to be around that 44 to 44.50 area. This stock was very, very weak today. There really wasn't much of a bounce attempt in here, and now we're trading a little bit lower here after the close. We closed around 47. We're trading now 46.60. I think we've got more room to the downside. I'll take it to the daily chart, and I am going to be looking for this area, guys, as my next kind of take profit. You can see we had previous resistance. We gapped above it. You can see here that the stock started to hold support at this level. Then it pushed higher. I'm looking for us to get down into this area. I will take more profit right in here around $44.50, $44, somewhere in there. I'm looking to take some more profit. And if we break below that, guys, I see this going to 40. Okay, here we go all the way down here to 40. You can see this previous area of resistance. Okay, it goes all the way back to here, and then it became a nice little area of support. That would be the next area of support if we break below this level, this $44.50, $44 level. If we get below that, we might even get down to that 40 and change area. I don't know if I'm going to hold this all the way down to there. They're due to report earnings, I believe, the first week of August. I will be completely flat this short position before that, but a real nice igniting bearish momentum kind of downward candle today on some pretty decent volume. I think we get a little bit more continuation to the downside. Maybe we kind of consolidate a little bit tomorrow. Maybe we put in kind of an inside day here tomorrow. But I think eventually, as time goes on, I think this Roku kind of starts to drift its way a little bit lower, and we get some action down into there. And this will be an absolute home run swing trade on that Roku. All right. So that's it, guys. Wanted to give you that update. Congratulations to those that followed along on that short with Roku. So far, so good. It's a pretty nice trade. $3.50 a share profit, and I think we got some more to go. I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Take care.